We are logged in GitHub. Now we go to a folder that we want to download, in this case, Resolving Machine Learning Python. You can see the URL here. And we want to copy this folder to our user. To do so, we fork the repository. We click on Create Fork. And now we want to have this folder in our computer to work with the materials. To download the materials to our computer, we need to copy the link here. We open the terminal. We create a new folder, Python courses, to have the materials organized. We move to the folder, cd, change directory, and then we type git clone and we paste the link we have just copied. We execute, and then we open Jupyter Lab to work with the materials. Let's say that we want to develop some exercise in the first chapter, the linear regression, practice blank. I'm going to execute here, unloading the dataset, dfmpg, and now I'm gonna make some visualization. Let's create a histogram. And now I want to see these changes in my GitHub account. If I go here and I go to the first chapter and practice blank, I don't see the histogram yet. That's because I need to apply some commands to upload the changes. So I go again to the terminal. I close the terminal and also Jupyter. I open the terminal again. I go to the folder, cd Python courses, cd Resolving Machine Learning Python. Before continuing, we need to configure two things: the username and the email. I'll put mine and then the email. Now I want to check which folders and files have been modified. Git status. I see regression practice blank. I want to add this file to the queue to be uploaded. So git add a. I check the status. It's on green now. It means that it's being added to the queue, and I commit the changes, git commit with a message. Linear regression exercise. I execute, and now if I check the status, nothing to be committed. I may think that the changes have been uploaded to the GitHub account. Let's check it. I reload the web page, but I don't see the changes, the histogram that I computed before. That's because I still need to push the changes from the local repository. Local means my computer, to the remote repository. Remote means the online GitHub platform. Before continuing, I need to validate my user in the terminal. JH auth login. I execute. I click on github.com. I copy the code here, and then I copy paste, I authorize GitHub, I go back to the terminal, and then I push the changes. I should be able to see the histogram in my GitHub account when I reload the website. And here I see it. Now I can copy the URL and put it on LinkedIn or Twitter to promote my portfolio.